My name is Akiko. I have a daughter. Her name is Risa. I will never forget the evening Risa told me the news. We were having dinner together. "Mum, I got the job," she said. Her face was glowing with hope. I held her hand and said, "Congratulations, I'm so proud of you." I meant it. But later that night, while I was standing alone in the kitchen, I started to cry. I couldn't stop. From next spring, Risa will live in a company flat far away. She might even work overseas in the future. I realized that our life of eating breakfast together every morning was ending. This is what people call the empty nest syndrome. It felt like a large hole had opened in my heart. I always told Risa, choose your own life. Work wherever you like. I wanted to be a supportive mother. But when she really started to leave, I felt weak. Deep inside, I was thinking, I wish she found a job near home. I don't want to be alone. I felt ashamed of these thoughts. They felt selfish. But my friends helped me. One of my friends said, "Akiko, it's okay to feel sad. Risa is strong because of you. Now it is time to let her go. She is also a single mother like me." Slowly I started to understand. My daughter was not leaving me. She was starting her own life. One cold day, I caught a bad cold and went to the hospital. In the waiting room, I felt very lonely and scared. Risa called me. She heard I was sick. "Mum, are you okay? Do you need anything?" Her voice was full of worry. But she was far away. She could not come quickly. "I'm fine. Don't worry," I told her. After the call, I walked home through the park. Then I realized something important. I depended too much on my daughter. I needed her for my happiness. I am a mother, but I am also one person. I need to stand on my own. A few days later, Risa said to me, "Mum, please don't worry about me. I want you to enjoy your life too." Her words set me free. I decided to change. I started light yoga every morning. I wanted to feel stronger. I bought some watercolors. I started painting again. I loved it when I was young. I even joined a local volunteer group. At first, I was nervous. Meeting new people was not easy. But soon my days felt fresh and bright. I understood something new. Even without my daughter at home, my life was still moving forward. I was not only Risa's mother, I was Akiko. One sunny Sunday morning, I woke up early. I was going on a one-day bus tour. I chose a bright blouse. I packed my camera. Just before I left, my phone rang. It was Risa. "Mum, are you going out?" I smiled and told her about the tour. Risa laughed. "That's wonderful, Mum. I'm so happy for you. Enjoy your day." For the first time, Risa looked relaxed. She was not worried anymore. She saw that I was happy. I stepped outside. The air was fresh and cool. The sky was a beautiful blue. I walked to the bus stop. My steps felt light. I felt free.
Akiko and Risa still message each other often, but their relationship has changed. They are now two independent women who support each other's dreams. As Risa walks toward her future, Akiko is also walking toward hers. The nest may be empty, but Akiko's life is full of new possibilities.
Thank you for watching today's story. Have you had a similar experience in your life? How did you feel when someone important to you moved far away? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Your comments mean a lot to me, and they make me happy to keep creating these videos.